Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start playing Hamster Kombat on Telegram. This guide is perfect for beginners, so just follow along with the steps and you'll be ready to start playing in no time. First, if you haven't started mining Hamster Kombat tokens yet, you need to click the link in the description to get started. Once you click on that link, it will open up in your browser and you'll see a button to open the game in Telegram. Click that and it will automatically take you into your Telegram app. If it's your first time opening Hamster Kombat, you'll be asked to start the bot. So just click the play button and the interface will load up for you. Now, to begin earning tokens, the first thing you want to do is click on the Earn section. Here, you'll see different tasks that allow you to collect free tokens. You can watch videos to earn 100,000 tokens per video, and there are also daily rewards available. The first day you log in, you'll get 500 tokens, and this amount increases as you log in each consecutive day. Make sure to click Claim to collect your daily rewards. There are other tasks as well. For example, you can join their Telegram channel, follow them on Twitter, or choose an exchange where you want to use your tokens. Once you complete these tasks, you'll earn even more tokens, such as 5,000 tokens for choosing an exchange. If you want to invite friends, you can do that too. Just click on the Friend section where you'll find your referral link. Copy that link and share it with your friends. When they join, you'll earn 5,000 tokens for each friend who signs up. If they join Telegram Premium, you can earn an even bigger bonus of 25,000 tokens. Every day, you'll also have a chance to boost your earnings by using features like the Energy Boost and multi-tap options. By using your tokens, you can increase the amount of energy you have, as well as the number of tokens you earn per tap. For example, when you tap to collect tokens, you might start earning a few at a time. But by boosting with tokens, you can increase this number and maximize your rewards. There are also daily combo challenges and sci-fi sections that let you earn millions of tokens. For example, if you complete certain tasks like leveling up the hamster tube to level 5, you can unlock special rewards. These tasks are key to increasing your earnings, so make sure to complete them as they come up. That's basically how you get started with Hamster Kombat on Telegram. Make sure to check the app daily, complete tasks, and boost your earnings to maximize your tokens. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.